Introducing the Simnovus O-RU Simulator, the industry's first truly 100% software-only solution that simulates multiple ORUs and hundreds of UEs on a commercial, off-the-shelf rack server. Simply subscribe, download, deploy it on your own hardware, and it's ready for use. Experience acceleration and O-RAN validation with our software-based simulators. Save time by eliminating the need to fine-tune analog parameters, RF cables, and attenuators. Simnovus O-RU Simulator complies with the O-RAN Alliance Split 7.2 architecture with the following capabilities. Verifying the C-plane and U-plane capabilities of the ODU on the front haul based on the interoperability test specifications defined by Working Group 4. PTP for the S-plane, LLSC1, LLSC2, and LLSC3 configuration. In-plane in both the hierarchical and hybrid mode. O-RU Sim is not just the front haul validation. Validate end-to-end with the integrated 5G UE protocol stack with ease. Simulate multiple ORUs and hundreds of UEs with the ability to define complex call models supporting real-world scenarios like voice, data download, and mobility. The intuitive user interface provides clear KPIs at different levels to verify the performance of the ODU over the front haul and the network end-to-end. Built with a software-only approach, O-RU Sim is already virtualized. The containerized O-RU Sim will scale to many ORUs and UEs to meet all your ODU and OCU validation needs. The Simnovus O-RU Simulator is available as an all-inclusive annual subscription. Simply choose the number of UEs to select the subscription needed. This subscription model enables you to create parallel testbeds without large upfront CapEx. Accelerate your validation process and have a smooth O-RAN adoption with Simnovus. To know more, contact us today.